Millie here from Maths Tutors Online, and I'm here to tell you about our Revision Accelerator starting on March 2nd. Now, this course is all about building confidence and adding context to the learning that we've spent the last couple of years doing. This course is aimed specifically at students who are taking the summer 2026 exams, so if that's you, listen up to how you can feel more confident with everything you're doing going into these exams. So our Confidence Accelerator is built around a mixture of live attended sessions and independent revision. So let's talk about the sessions first. There are two types of sessions. We have our past paper club drop-ins on Mondays and Fridays. These are kind of what it says on the tin. We're working through past papers, looking at things like exam technique, what to do if you get stuck on a question, how to tackle questions that maybe look like you know what to do, but then they come across a bit more difficult, and how to attack an exam paper overall. Why is this important? Well, it's giving context to all the things that we've been learning over the past couple of years throughout year 10 and 11. At this point in the year, it's not so much about adding loads of new information, it's about making sure we feel confident with the information we already have. The other type of classes we have are common questions classes. These are pre-recorded live streams that run on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and on the weekends, and you can pick which time you want to attend. Now, these classes are covering, again, what it says on the tin, the common questions that come up in the exam every single year. Why is this important? Well, this is about gaining confidence. It's about going into the exam knowing that there are 10 or so questions that actually you've already seen before, and you're going to be able to answer because you've already done them. This removes stress, and actually it means that you're going to have more time for the slightly trickier questions, or maybe the ones that you're not so sure on, because these ones are ticked off and out of the way. Now, one question some people ask is, if they're pre-recorded sessions, why can't we just have the recordings? Well, studies show that people are more than 2 times likely to attend something if they've actually got it scheduled into their calendar. And let's be honest, we do not want to leave your child's results up to chance. So by having that scheduled slot where you know you can attend for that hour and be fully focused, we're much more likely to get a positive outcome from them. So as I mentioned, we've got sessions running every day of the week. We'd recommend joining at least one of the past paper sessions per week, so that's a Monday, a Friday, or you're welcome to come to both. And then one of the common question sessions per week. They will be the same sessions that run throughout the week, so you're welcome to attend more than one, but it will be the same content. Now, there's one more really important element to the Revision Accelerator that I haven't talked about yet, which is our flashcards. We've been working on these for the past 3 years because flashcards are the #1 memory retention tool. It's all well and good doing the understanding, but we need to make sure that the memory is there on the day as well. So our flashcards are a little bit different to a lot that you see out there on the market. They're not questions. It's not answer this, work this out, but it's actually about remembering the methods, the equations, and the formula that you're going to need in your exam. So if you want to reserve a space on the Revision Accelerator, just reply to this email with which payment method you'd like to go for. And for the first 10 students that pay in full upfront, you're also going to get a free one-to-one session worth £66. I believe there are 2 slots left on that right now, so if you want one, go ahead and grab it. I'm really excited to see you all there, and I can't wait to see the progress that you're going to make.